Good evening and welcome to another episode of Mundo's Garden. I'm Mundo, your host. Today we're going to be talking about strawberries. We're going to be planting some strawberries. It's a little late in the day, but because of time restraints, this is when I could do it. So I wanted to show you what we actually have here. I just opened the pack, but I haven't really dug through anything yet. It's the pack of the 10 bare root strawberries. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. So here they are. There's the box right there. These are the ones that I got at Home Depot. So let's see what we got here. Banded together. So no, okay, so there were 10 just like they had stated, so no over, no less. So here they are. Like I mean, there's two really fat ones that looks like they had already started sitting down some decent roots. So okay, well, I'm gonna go ahead and get these cleaned up a bit, and I'll be back with you guys in just a moment. All right, guys. Alright guys, so I'm here in front of the flower pot that we're going to be putting these strawberries into. I just set the strawberries, the bare root, set a bunch of them in front of where the respective spots where they're going to be planted. So what you want to do, I mean, it's very simple here. You're just going to, I don't know if you guys can see this well. Unfortunately, I don't have anybody that can help me film right now. But you're going to want to know where the crown is, and you're going to want to know what the top is, and what the bottom of the plant is.
It's fairly simple here to tell. You're going to have more of the like smaller tiny roots coming off of the bottom, and what looks like more like vegetation off the top. It looks more like stems and stuff. It's going to be coming off.
Now what you want to do is you want to kind of put your hands where the crown is, and you're gonna just want to use that to measure the height of where you're planting up to. That's gonna be your soil level. You're gonna want to put your hand right on the crown, your 2 fingers, or 3, whatever, and you're just gonna want to just get right underneath that crown. It's going to be a lot easier to see with this bigger one. So you can see, so they've actually clipped these off. That's where the vegetation is. They clipped that off so that it could go dormant. You can tell these are roots. You can tell. So same thing here. Just going to want to make a little hole. You're going to hold your plant by the root, by the crown. And you want it deep enough so that the roots can sit in there nicely. Then you're going to want to backfill. You're going to want to backfill all the way around it, and make sure not to cover the crown. And that's, really that's all there is to it. I'm going to finish up here. Then I can go ahead and show you guys a close-up to see what it looks like once I'm all done. All right, so we're all finished up. I actually decided to wait till the next day just because there's better lighting. So you can see here, this is the crown. This is exactly what I'm talking about. You guys don't want to get above this because that can rot out, and that's where all the vegetation is going to come from. So we got another one right here. See this one? There's the crown. There's the crown, and you can see the crown in all these. It's where everything starts stemming out from. So yeah, we got 8 plants. Well, 9, including the one here in the middle. So that's gonna do it for today's episode, guys. Thanks a lot. Be sure to hit the like button if you liked the video. Be sure to subscribe so you guys see what I'm coming out with next, everything that I'm doing. Please leave comments below. Let me know if there's something that you want me to do. Let me know if there's any suggestions you have. Like I said, I'm a beginner as well. So if you guys know something that I don't, let me in the loop. Share it on Facebook. Anybody who likes gardening, share it with them. Tell them about it. Hit the like button. Subscribe. Happy growing.